Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to try ChatGPT Ultimate Guide. So let's go to the browser first. Now open new tab and write here ChatGPT. Just simply write ChatGPT to Google and hit enter, and you'll find here the first option, introducing ChatGPT. Click on this, and then you can see here introducing ChatGPT, and you'll find here the black option, try ChatGPT. If you want to try this one, click on this try ChatGPT. Now you may have to open a account of ChatGPT. I have already make a video on this, how to make a ChatGPT account. You can check this one. After making account, you can use this ChatGPT here. You can write anything here like, hi, how's going on? It will answer. What you ask, it will answer automatically here. Okay, so this is how you can try ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.